ko na ginawa ninyo para sa akin mula nung ako'y kinukup ninyo. May you have a longer and happier life. Although happy naman pero mas maganda ang happier. Again, happy birthday, Andy. Ingat ka dyan. God bless.
Hello, Sisi. I'm so happy and grateful to be a part of this noise thing on your special day. Maraming salamat. Wala naman akong ibang day lagi kundi maraming salamat. You're such a wonderful hipag. Wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. Napakalaki yung tulong mo sa aming mag-ina. You know, your sacrifices, your time, yung love, yung generosity, your kindness. Lalong-lalo na yung mga oras na kahit gipit ka sa oras, sinasacrifice mo para lang ma-meet mo yung need ni Cyrus. So, thank you so much. Alam mo kung gaano ka nagiging blessing sa iba. So, keep it up. Such a wonderful person, wonderful mother, extension, ikaw ang pangalawang nanay ni Cyrus. Wonderful wife, wonderful friend. Thank you. God bless you more. Happy birthday, Sisi. I hope makuha mo yung deserve mo. God bless you. Ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello po, Auntie. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health.
Happy birthday, Mami Rosie. Wishing you all the best in life. Ingat mo palagi.
Hi.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Wishing you all the best in life. May your heart be overflowing as you celebrate your birthday today. May God bless you and your family.
Thank you po sa mga payo nyo and huwag ka po masyadong magpaka-stress.
We love you po!
Hello, mga people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hello, mga people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mami Rose! Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mami Rose! Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mami Rose! I love you!
Happy 43 years birthday, Bunso. God help and God bless us always. I love you.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday!
We love you so much.
Anak, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless us. I love you so much. Mama chup chup.
May your birthday filled with love, laughter, and lots of blessings, sister. We love you.
Bag nga pa nagkasangay mo, Obet. Happy birthday. Sapay ko makiniapo, tag na yung tinasalon at nga karadkad mo ading ko. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama. You are 43 years old. I love you po. Salamat po sa pag-take care sa amin. Mahal ka po namin. Thank you po. Salamat po sa Panginoon na gumawa tong special family na to, the Valles. I love you po and thank you for taking care of us when we were babies. Now we are big kids. Thank you for the hard work you have done for us. I love you po. Thank you po sa hard work niyo na binibigay niyo sa amin. Kahit magalit man kayo sa amin, mahal ka pa rin namin. Mahal ka ng Panginoon, mahal ka ng pamilya mo, mahal ka ng mga kaibigan mo, mahal ka ng boss mo. Yun po yung mahalaga sa mundo, isa sa pera. Mahal ka po namin. Happy birthday. Have a nice day. For mommy, I love you po. Thank you for caring of us. Happy birthday, Ma. We love you.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. I love you. God bless. Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Love you. Chup chup.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Mga 11 years. You're turning 43. Alagaan niyo po sarili niyo. Eat healthy. I love you po. Have a nice birthday, and I'm thankful that I have a mother like you that is always disciplining us, laging pinapagalitan at pinagsasabihan kung makulit po kami, may hindi kami sinusunod. Salamat po sa mga ganun kasi nalalaman po namin yung mga tama at mali. Thank you po. Have a nice birthday. Love you.
Hello. It's time to say happy birthday to my beautiful and loving wife, my best friend, my partner in life, of course, the mother of my beautiful and handsome kids, no other than Rosie Valle. Congratulations, because you earned 43 years in existence in this world, and salamat kasi ikaw ang binigay ng Diyos na partner ko sa buhay. Salamat sa pagiging isang mabait at saka mapag-alagang ina, and wish you a good health, and of course huwag mong pababayaan ng iyong sarili, hindi palaging trabaho, bigyan din ng pagkakataon ang sarili, at saka pagpatuloy natin ang pananaliksik sa salita ng Diyos kasi yan lang ang isang powerful na gabay natin sa buhay. Once again, happy birthday, my sweetheart. I love you very much.
So.